Situation Judgement Practice.
You have assigned your team some work with a tight deadline, which, unless met, means that the company is going to incur huge losses. You assign Jackie is to lead the team delivering the assignment. 2 days before the deadline, Jackie shows up in your office and explains to you that it will not be possible to deliver the project on time because one of the team members failed to play his part. How are you going to handle the situation? Here are the options. What has happened in the past is hard to reverse, and instead of wasting more time, a good leader would first work towards meeting the requirements. In this scenario, the possibility of incurring losses would be blamed on you. The best thing to do is to brainstorm with Jackie and the rest of the team on what may be done by each member to meet the deadline. Looking at the incorrect choices, let's see why they are incorrect. Choices A, C, and D will lead to resentment against the company and yourself. The object is to avoid loss and complete the project.
Thanks for watching. Visit us online at www.test-preparation.ca.